Jojo Bear. So, a few questions that you wanted to ask me were, what is the thing that can ruin the mood? I would have to say that has happened to me is when a guy told me, "Let's make this quick." Done. Killed the mood. One, I don't like a 1 minute man. Who doesn't? Two, I would have to say enjoy the person. I mean, there's a reason for it, I guess you can say. I don't know if that's an odd way of saying it, but yeah, those are the two things. The other question was, what is the mistake that a guy has done during? I would have to say, and this is just my personal opinion, and I would have to say have a condom. If you have a sex with a random, just have a condom. It really shows that you take care of yourself very well, you know? Like, it's not like you just decide just to be just sleeping with anybody. Like, let's be smart, because nowadays it's crazy. Two, also, I would have to say is the one thing that annoys me is have fun. Like, get into it, have fun, be adventurous, especially when you're with your spouse, your boyfriend, your girlfriend. Like, have some fun, be adventurous. So, other than that, yeah, I would have to say don't be boring, have a condom, and don't be a 1 minute man. So, thank y'all. Have a good one.
Hi, JoJo Bears. Happy Valentine's Day, loves. Okay, so the questions were what is something a guy can do to ruin the mood? Well, I would think for me, it would be like completely skipping foreplay. I mean, our bodies are meant to be explored and touched, right? The second question was what are mistakes that men make in bed? I would say that talking too much, like, oh, baby, does that feel good? Do you like that? Am I big? I mean, come on, really? Like, you're already inside me. You're already making me moan. What more could you ask for? I mean, why do you have to keep asking if it feels good? I mean, obviously, if I'm moaning, it feels good. But, anyways, those are my answers to the Valentine's Day questions. I hope everybody has a great Valentine's Day and lots of sex and love. Have a good one, guys. Mwah.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to tell you two things a man could do wrong. First of all, if you're going to have sex with someone, don't tell her you're seeing someone else. Literally, that would be an awkward moment. Been there, trust me. Second mistake men do a lot. If you're having sex, don't answer your phone. You're not going to answer the phone and say, okay, I'm done with the phone call, I'm ready. Hell no. That's a no. Awkward moments. No, no.
Hi there, it's your girl Kiki, and I'm supporting JoJoBears.com. So please go to their website and show your support by sending a picture or doing a video. I got a question. Mistakes men made in bed. God, I have a long list. They come too quick. I'm sorry. You gotta please me first. Foreplay. It's all about foreplay. Be fun with it. I love dressing up, spontaneous. They just want to get it in. So don't do that. Make it fun. Be spontaneous, like the car, or just get freaky. I don't know. I'm pretty open with it. And what ruins the mood? Okay, I'm gonna tell you a really crazy story. So I was dating this guy, and he wanted to go all out and rent a nice hotel and do the candle, the flowers, the whole nine. Well, he really messed up because he walked in the room, and I was waiting for like candles, like a bunch of them, and a nice bouquet of roses or some type of flower. He had a carnation one, and those things are like $1. And then he had a tea light candle that was you put in pumpkins? No. And to boot, so I let that slide because I was like, okay, maybe he didn't have any, the room is really expensive. I didn't know the situation. However, he flooded the jacuzzi and on the room. I just can't even talk about it, but it was bad. And I ended up leaving, and he didn't get anything, and our relationship was kind of over after that because it was so bad. I mean, a tea light candle and a carnation? No, that's not how you do it. You have to really interact with your woman. You have to see what she likes, have her show you a few things of what she likes. Role play, pornos, do what you do. I'm all about it. JoJoBears.com. Love you guys.